Let's be honest, iPhones are amazing, but there are some features that just drive us crazy. So here are 6 annoying iPhone features and how to fix or disable them. Have you ever been scrolling in an app and suddenly the whole screen drops down? That's reachability, and it gets triggered accidentally all the time. To turn it off, go to the settings, accessibility, touch, reachability, and just toggle it off. Next, that full screenshot preview, so annoying. Every time you take a screenshot, you have to tap the check mark and then tap save to photos. To fix that, go to the settings, general, screen capture, and turn off full screen preview. Now, when you take a screenshot, you will just see a small preview in the bottom left corner. It disappears automatically and the screenshot saves instantly to your Photos app. Much better. This one's the worst. You're on a call and you accidentally press that side button and the call ends. To fix it, go to the settings, accessibility, touch, and turn off lock to end call. You say seriously or series and suddenly Siri wants to join the conversation. To fix that, go to the settings, Siri and search, and if you don't use it much, just turn off listen for Hey Siri or Siri dictation. Trying to change the volume in camera but accidentally snapping photos? To stop that, go to settings, camera, and turn off use volume buttons for burst. That makes it less sensitive. Finally, Wi-Fi assist. Sounds helpful, but it secretly uses your cellular data when Wi-Fi is weak. Go to the settings, cellular, scroll all the way down and turn off Wi-Fi assist. Did you know about these? Which one annoys you the most? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.